So this is one of 4 Beatles collection wagons that was announced in January 2021 of this year. This one comes in the artwork of the Beatles Help album. So let's take a quick look at the packaging. So we've got this really very different black packaging, not something I'm not used to seeing with Hornby. And we've got the Beatles over here on the right hand side, obviously with Hornby at the bottom there, and double O-gauge model railways. If we have a look at the side, we can see exactly what is meant to be in the box. This is item number R60009, the Beatles Help long wheelbase van. Now there's not an awful lot on the back, it's more to do with licensing and trademarks, all that sort of thing. And obviously we've got the manufacturer and Hornby and their details, as well as the Beatles logos. And same on the top, and I would imagine at the bottom it's just all of your warnings. But on the top there, that looks really rather nice. You could just have that sat on the shelf if you wanted to. But let's take a look inside. So unlike most of the Hornby main range items, this comes in what I would call the railroad packaging. Simple box, simple vacuum formed packaging. It has got this protective film here for while it's in the box. So if we just take the wagon out of the box and the packaging, and we'll put that to one side. So there we go. We have got the Hornby made in China metal wheeled Help wagon, long wheelbase. So let's take a real closer look. There we go, and you can see that artwork. Reminds me, looking back at the 2020 release of the Beatles Eurostar, and what a wonderful set that was. So as you can see, it is a 4-wheeled van. It's an older moulding, been around for quite a while, and I do believe this same moulding is used on the Coca-Cola wagons. If we take a really close look, you can see just how sharp that print is. The Beatles there, and we can see all 4 of them, hopefully focused very well. And the Help, and let's have a look there, we can see the album cover as well. Now I do believe this is exactly the same on both sides. Yes, it is. So we've got a blue roof. It actually has got, I think there's a reasonably decent weight inside this, because it doesn't feel as light as some others I have of this particular type of wagon. But we've got the blue roof and the white body sides, a one-piece chassis that's been around for quite a while. It has obviously plastic buffers and all of that kind of thing. Large D-shaped couplings, which have the metal rivet holding them onto the chassis. But yes, nice metal wheels, no plastic ones. As a display piece, wonderful, nice to be on a shelf on a piece of track. So this is one of 4 wagons announced and now released by Hornby for the Beatles collection. I'm going to put a link in the description there to take you through to Hornby, and where you can see all 4 of the announced and now released Beatles wagons, and hopefully they'll still be available when you click on that link. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, click on the round button. If you enjoyed this video and you want to watch some more, there's another video at the top of the screen, and there's a playlist at the bottom. See you again soon.